Hi there, in today's video I'd like to show you just how to make some really very simple bookmarks, but they also are quite nice and sturdy, and I feel that they will make a lovely gift for somebody, or even if you're doing something for a large group of people, you know, maybe for a market day or something like that. This is quite a simple way to actually get some revenue in. So we're going to start off by using acetate sheets. And these are the thicker ones that you use when you're putting your acetate through the photocopy. So they're going to give you a nice body and they won't damage very easily. You're going to need to cut your acetate sheets down. And the size that you're going to need is 20 centimeters by 5 centimeters. And the reason why you're working with that size is because you're limited in terms of the size of your embossing folder. So normally the width of an A4 is 21 centimeters, but that would leave you with an extra centimeter hanging off here, so it would be really long and it wouldn't look very sightly. So that's why I've chosen that width, but that's entirely up to you. Secure your cut bookmark onto your embossing folder with a bit of masking tape because it's so slippery, it's just going to slide otherwise. Fold it over, sandwich it, and run it through your embossing machine. And then once you have your design that comes out of your embossing machine, you'll have a beautifully embossed piece of acetate, and it really does emboss beautifully. For presentation, I felt it needed some color, so I've mounted it on some black card, and this was card that I did in a previous video using paste grain paints and just scraping paint off. And I feel with this tire track design, it really is very beautiful. Then I've taken two little circles which I punched out of offcuts of photographs. I just glued those together and punched a hole in that, and then I've threaded some ribbon through a button and just secured that. So that's the first one. The second one was a lovely sort of bark kind of design here, and I've popped that onto some gold card. And again, just using buttons because I wanted to keep it simple so people who don't have a lot of equipment will know that they can manage it. But you can obviously go to town dressing it up. And that I felt had quite a nice sort of texture, reminiscent of bark. You'll see here quite easily that's the gap that you have once you've embossed. So if you had 21 centimeters, it would be a really big gap there. Then the next one was the heart design that I did. And this has come out beautifully. Lovely thing for Valentine's gifts, and for that one I just simply had red card and then I traced a little heart which I cut out and then just inked around the edges and again threaded that through a little button. And then the last one was a lovely sort of cherry blossom design, and I have that on pink card, but I wanted to show you too that if you worked with a white card underneath you would be able to do a design. So you could actually put a message there. You could do a verse of scripture, you could do a verse of encouragement of some sort, you could put photographs, you could do doodle art, whatever you want underneath there. But I just felt that you would like to know that that is an option as well. So there you have it, some very, very simple ideas to be able to make these bookmarks. And I really do hope that you have fun. I was delighted when I actually found that this was so easy. Thank you for joining me. Bye.